President Trump is not backing down from his push to take over Greenland. He said we have to have it. European countries are now considering retaliation against the United States because of tariff threats related to Greenland. This situation could lead to serious tensions between the US and Europe. What's up, you guys? It's Graham here, and you better buckle up because time is running out. Starting February 1st, new tariffs are set to go into effect across Europe. This is happening because the United States wants to acquire Greenland, something most people never expected. Greenland is quickly becoming one of the most strategic locations in the world. However, most people don't realize how this could impact gold prices, the stock market, everyday goods, and even the value of the US dollar. This could also be the beginning of a much bigger trade war. First, let's talk about national security. Greenland already has a major US military base with about 150 American troops. It serves as an early warning location for threats coming from the Arctic region. However, Trump believes this is not enough. He argues that if Russia or China gain influence there, it could become a major risk to US security. His view is simple. Either the US takes control now or risks losing influence later. Second, Greenland has one of the largest untapped reserves of rare earth minerals. These minerals are essential for electric vehicles, AI technology, and advanced electronics. Currently, China dominates this sector. If the US gains access to Greenland's resources, it could reduce dependence on China and shift global power. Third, Greenland is strategically important for shipping routes and military positioning, especially as Arctic routes become more accessible. However, Greenland is currently controlled by Denmark. Selling Greenland would require approval from both Denmark and the people of Greenland. Because of this situation, markets are reacting with uncertainty. Stocks are declining, the US dollar is weakening, gold and silver prices are rising to record highs. When investors feel uncertain, they move their money into safer assets like gold and silver. At the same time, tariffs increase costs for companies. When costs rise, profits fall, and stock prices often decline.